All right, I had a few people ask me why am I long futures. Had nice little support here at that 95.45. You'll see it real quick. That level here. So I'm watching it. I took it long off that level. Right now I have my stops pretty much at 95.65. I'm trying to see if I can get this nice little trend break here. If we break it, I think we get a nice little flag breakout, but we get more upside. At that point, I'll probably move my stops up some more. So right now, I'm just trying to get this. Once we break it, I'm gonna see if we can push right into that 96.28 on stops. But that you have to have tight stops on this, because if this fails, you're gonna lose this little trend that we have here. We're gonna pull right back into this 95.82 level. 50 that can't hold. We get another pull back to the downside. Pretty much would be a bear flag. So that's what I'm watching on it. We'll see what happens on this one. Having a little trouble on this breakout. So again, we'll see. Just keep your stops tight. Again, once this holds up, we pop this. I think we get another push a little higher. As of right now, just have your stops in the money, and don't let it collapse on you. That's what I'm looking on right here. So just keep your stops in the money. Don't give nothing back. Everything from here on, we're just trying to get extra on this one. So we'll see. As of right now, as you can see, a struggle. 3 taps here. Want to see just pop it to push it. If not, we'll come back down to test this level. If it doesn't hit, we'll probably get stopped out on this trade. And that's basically what I'm watching on this one. What happens? Testing that support here. All right. Need this 95.82. Hold up, or we might get stopped out on our last position on it. This is just us trying to bounce it off that nice little pull from earlier. I think we're still fine. See a pretty much a nice little range break. I think this is retesting that range break here. The only thing I don't like is not holding this uptrend. Trying to give it away. Holds up at the range break. If not, like I said, I think we might position. Want to remain in position. We'll see what happens. Don't want to choke it. As you know, this can move either way real quick. So that's the reason why I'm not going to choke it. 2680. God, there we go. It's holding the range breakout. Work. Come on. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna? What are you gonna do? Still holding up so far. There we go. Looks like this might want to push here. There we go. Just looking for this pop here. We get this pop, I think we get the next leg. That's what I'm looking for in this one. Here goes. Go. In here. We need coming into it. As you can see, this ladder resistance is what we're going into. So Trying, guys. It's trying. Looking good. Come on. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh, 36.04. Almost got it. Come on. You know you want to give it to me. Yeah, I'm on live. Oh, come on, let's go. It's taking forever. Can we get that explosive pop now? Come on. I'm good. I'm good. All right, let's watch this 96.07 area. Will be kind of key, I think. See how that plays out. See if we can get there first. 96.07. Hold. See if we can get that 96.07. $607 there. Go. Seven. So 50. There we go. Almost there. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm gonna sell some here.
Order submitted.
Can't even feel it. So, go. Well, if that's the case, we'll move it up some here.
Order submitted.
We can get filled on a pullback if it does. If not, hey, for us, more upside. Now just keep on choking it. See if we can get filled. There we go. That one got filled.
Order
Filled. Thank you. Right. Yeah, which one we can get on that one? I think we get more on that to the upside, guys. Those holding that level. Good. So far, bounce working well. If you want to choke this one, still follow me on it. You can probably move your stops to 95, 96.50. Look at that. 95. What did I say? 95, 96. I want to, can we choke it more than that? We should get the pop. We're looking good, guys. We can choke it just a tad bit more. Let's do 96. On it. Let's do 9600. 96. Because at least we know we got some support just above it. Because it does pull back. Yeah, I'll put it 600 there. Let's get it. 96.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Stops there. We get another move right into resistance. We need that 96.28 break for more upside. I think if we can get past 96.28, we hit 96.40, 50. Once we get that, I think that's when the fun will come. Get a nice curl on this and we'll push higher. Everything from here is just about protecting profits. Good. Nice fun bounce so far. Still holding up. Nice and slow. Nickels. Probably be on here just a little bit longer. Not sure how much longer. That one. Just a little extended, guys. So if we do get a pullback, I think I might get filled on my last little piece. Wait to see what happens. See, still goes holding up pretty good. CFC like if no more. All right, looking good, guys. Look like we're going to get more upside. So far, held that break that was looking for. Now we're pushing higher. 96.28 is what I'm looking for on this one. To see if we can get it. Come on, there we go. Looking good, guys. Looking good. We're looking good. Looking good. Looking good. All right, looking good. Like I said, 96.20. I think we get a quick little pop to that 96.40. That'd be key for more upside to me. But we'll see what happens. Everything is looking good though. Looking real good. I mean, I was gonna move my stops up, but again, we still have that 9607 50 support. No need to do that. We'll just leave that there. We'll leave it at 96 for now. Well, I'm gonna leave it at 9. You guys do what you want to do. I'll leave it at 96. And we'll see what happens. It's 28. Come on. Dude. Right into all this resistance here might be the reason why we're slowing up a little bit. Be interesting to see what happens here. 96.28 is what I'm really looking at for a break. We break that, we get another nice little push to that 96.40.50. Well, we'll see for right now. All about being patient. You know you want to get that break. Holding. Don't need you any. The range here. Need that range. 96.17.56 would be the range I'm looking for. We'll get that break. We can into 96.28. Too extended, but it looks like I might start moving to 96. A little bit more. That. 6. A little bit. Let's cancel the
Order cancel.
move you to
Order
fine.
submitted.
A little bit. How much you are ice cream? Pray for the day if we can get this going. It's looking good, looking strong. I still like to get that 96.28 break for more upside. Move my stop to 96.04. And we'll see what happens. Go, let's go. Looking good, you know you want it. One more push. You are no longer extended. You should give me another. Boom. There we go. Come on. Holding. So extended. Get this. So with that being said, we should get. Oh no. There we go. Looking good. What you do? All right, so looks like if we do get a pullback, I'm going to keep my stops at 96.04. We're having a little issue here. Like I said, this is a lot of resistance we're going into. We need to pop through these levels to get there at 96.28 for more upside. If not, get a pullback. I'm going to probably keep my stops at that 96.04 and see what happens there. I liked it how 96.0750 held. So I figured if that breaks, I get stopped out. Oh well. But yeah, that's how I'll play that from here. There we go. It looks like it's holding up though. I keep everything as it is. Always lock profits along the way. As you can see, I do it every day. And see what happens. Looks like this might pull back. Comes the pullback. See how it reacts at that 96.0750. Holding up. So far seems like where we got everything at right now will work out. Give it enough room for it to maneuver and do what it do. We're not. I don't think we're choking this one too much, so I think that'll work out. Traded Z earlier on the short side. It was down pretty big. I was being stubborn with it. When I exit my position, I did a market fill because I was just so frustrated with it that I did not walk away what I thought I should have walked away with, which is fine. Green is green. And when I tell you green is green, I think I only walked away with $73. But I think because of the size and how I tried to get out, I should have broke it down. But I just wanted to exit the full position because I was so frustrated with it that I only walked away with like $73. I still don't understand how that happens, but again, this is part of whenever you trade with market fills. They just fill me whatever, and from a freaking $700 profit, only walk over $73. So feel as if I got robbed on that one, which is cool. That was one of the trades that frustrated me. I had went in with some nice size. Thought it was gonna play out how I thought it was playing out, and if you want to see it, we'll come back and link this. I think we're fine on that one as of right now. Like I said, with the pullback, stops are in place on that one. But if you look at Z, there it is. So deep, liked it, everything I was seeing. Started filling in with size. Got a little frustrated on these little pops here because I think I was telling everybody 65.70. Got in with size, popped on me, added into a little bit as it started breaking down. Got this nice little pull right here, and I guess this little bounce right here is the reason why I didn't get the fill I was looking for on that size I had. It's fine. And then this is when the market sold off. I didn't see this coming. Had I held that position, I would have been up pretty damn big today. All right. So that was that trade that frustrated me today. One I will go back and read up on. Thought I had a good handle on it, but not every trade you'll be able to control. Yeah, that one. That look. That's what happens. Your emotions get a hold of you, and you screw up good trades. I think I traded this twice today. Yeah. That one got the best. All right, sorry. So, looking good. Not too big of a pullback. All right. Everything is holding up. 9607 held up. And the reason why I thought we pull back more. Nice little flag forming here. Happens. Come on, baby. Mm-hmm. All right, if this get going, I might move these stops up some. Reason being, I think if 96.28, we don't get a smooth breakout of that, we get another little pull on it. And I just want to protect my profits at that point. So we shall see. Come on, baby. Have broke the issue. Come on. Come on. Go. Go. Come on. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Don't get yet. Stop that fast. Stop here. So we can continuation. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stay right where we are. Here we go. You want to give it to me? Here we go. Thing still looks good. Side. Don't look too bad. You're holding it. Come on. Give me the pop. Break that 96.28. Once we crack that, we'll get more upside. Come on. Good. Come on. If I do stops. 7. Do everything. And get the break. Here's the pullback. We pull back in this 96.07 area again. See if we can hold up. We hold up, I think we'll flag and push higher. If not, hold up. I probably just stopped out. I can call it a day. Oh. Told you that 96.28 was very key for a breakout. But again, I still feel as if we shouldn't choke it. So I'm going to leave everything the way it is and see what happens. It's a little pullback here. And we'll see what happens. Oh, yeah. Oh. So as you guys can see, we do have a little resistance here. That happens. It looks good. Pull back. Like I said, I think that 96.07 put us in a nice little range here. 50 and 96.28. Oh, 96.07 50 breaks. Just I get stopped out on my last piece and call it a day. 96.28 breaks. Move stops up, and the show continues. What will we have here? Still looking good. Still like it so far. There's like a little consolidation going on here. Once we run it, we should run this up. I think we're about to run it up. Looking good. Thoughts were good. Go. To it. I don't spot anymore. Reclaiming it, which is beautiful. Looks like we're going to get the break we're waiting on. Here we go. Pop this top and get a nice push. There it comes. 96.28, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Come on. Uh, do. Yeah, real. 26.28. I'm the daddy. Here we go. Go, come on. Here we go. Here we go, guys. We're almost there. 96.28. We popped that. Once we pop that, all right, there we go. Now let's start readjusting everything from here. Let's see. 96.04. We're gonna probably move you. There it goes, baby. That's what we was waiting on. Edit. Let's go ahead and start moving this up now. We'll probably put you up at 96.16 even. Even. A that break. Let me change that. 96.16. 616 would even.
Order submitted.
And let's cancel our old order.
Order canceled.
Go. 9607. Care for you anymore. We'll remove you. There we go, baby. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, guys, we got to get that 96.40. We popped that 40, 96.40, 50 is what we'll need to break. Again, I mean, this is all fun and games down to me because we've been moving our stops up and locked in profits along the way. So now we'll just move our stops to that 96.16. If we do get stopped out, it is what it is. If you want to choke it more, by all means, have fun. I like to give just a little breather room and see what happens. I'm looking for that 96.40, 50 break now. And then I think 96.59.25 area will be in the cards. As long as we break that area and hold above it is what I'll be looking for. Go, let's go. Come on, baby. Oh. Almost there. Let's go. All right, spy here, guys. Now, do I want to choke you more? Arla extended, hit resistance. I don't want to get caught in a pullback. I would have to move you up to 96.18. Or I have you at 90. But that's it. Still 237. Hey, babe, you're gonna go get the kids? Sweet. Okay. All right, right into resistance. Like I said, we're going to get a pullback here. I'm going to leave it at 96.16. I know you guys are probably saying I'm crazy, but I'm expecting some kind of pullback here. And if we do pull back, probably 96.16, 96, right into my stops. So do I take the profits and run, or I give it some breathing room with 96.28 support sitting right? I say we sit. How about do it sell or move you to 31. Just in case.
Order submitted.
If he hit, I'll play up over up upside. Come on. Freaking pop it so I can. What is this? 96.18 still. Come on, come on. Come on. Pop it. You guys see that? 6, 9.25. He can right corner, pull back. Pull back. Let's see if we can hold this 96.28. We pull more than that. I think we will. If we did, choke my run. This, what we can do is cancel this.
Order canceled.
So by just in case we pull back.
Order filled.
No. And then I don't want to choke yet. Lock in the problem. Nice 96.40, 50 reject, like I said. Then we'll be looking for a pullback. Reason why we pulled up our stops earlier. Play it safe. Here's your reject. Here's the pullback. Now let's see what happens. What do you want to do? Little extended Watch. We'll pull back, retest this 96.28. If that breaks, and I think we'll pull right into that 96.23 area. I'm going to leave 66. Oh, some up here already. Squeeze. Yes. What are you going to do? What do you want to do? What do you... It looks like you're going to break it. So it means you want to come back and attention, huh? Leave it at that. Want it? We sold some up there. We get a runner. Z. There we go. Come on. Some sideways consolidation in this little range. Snap still moving? Gee. Just awesome. What are you? Still won it, huh? 160 in the cards. It's a snap. You're not going to give up till you hit it today, huh? Oh. See, come on, baby. Let's go. 26.28. What are you going to do? Are you going to break so I can fill this extension, or will you hold and do we pop and go back to 96? What do you want to do? Move my stops up. Should I? Because we know we can probably pull towards that 96.22 area if we do pull. So it's like coming through it and a half. What level is that? You don't want to, because you can possibly pull right. Reset. Profits. It'll look good for another push. Holding the support level just below. Just look extended. I mean, everything. Little extended. I'm seeing some base in here. Support, so let's continue. Yeah. No. It's a 96.22 pull. See what happens. I get stopped out. What would you do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? On 19. 26.22 still holding up so far. Will I get stopped out? What am I gonna do? And the reason why I got at 96.16, if 96.16 doesn't hold up, I feel as if that support just below won't hold, and I don't want to go through a nice little pull back into this area down here, or which is a high possibility this level doesn't hold. But we'll see what happens. See if my 96.16 can keep me in the game. Good thing we did sell some up there. Come on. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Check. We got a pullback. You need to hold somewhere around here and give me that curl. That thresh. It stopped out, guys. I'm like, oh, it's about
Order filled.
There it goes. Well, that's it, folks. That was fun. Nice little bounce play. Can't complain about that. And watch, it's probably gonna right into here, and then it's probably gonna hold up and bounce. That was fun. If not, just collapse and look for a nice little pull on it again. Can't complain about that, guys. It was fun. Nice little profit. A nice little bounce. Now it looks like I want to see if I just choked it a little too much, or if I gave it room right into here, possibly. Keep that level about 96.10ish. At 96.10ish should have held. Yep. A little too tight on it. They're not. Got me. Anyway, all right, guys. Great day. Can't complain. I'm all done. Again, MarcSkyStocks back at it again. So nice little scalp into the close. My kids should be home any second now. Typically try to be done before they get here, and they're going to be here. Once they get here, it's going to be crazy. Yeah, a little too tight. You, damn you. Anyway, again, guys, take care. See you tomorrow. I'll be back at it again. Oh, again, if you like what you're hearing, give the channel a like or share, whichever.